from the beautiful country of Jamaica. So people, you see my accent? It not gonna away. The real born Jamaica in me, and the accent is here to stay. Watch this bus driver now. From you see him drive, you know same just watch him. Look on him. Drive bad like. Look how him just cut over in a 2-lane. I'm run things. We better dress back and make him pass. But anyway, we're going towards the coach station now. So here we go. We're gonna take this left turn right here, and the coach station is on our right. So take our little time and cruise, go down.